This was supposed to be my Sephora sale haul. However, when I got my Sephora credit card back in August and I was going to use the 25% off on my birthday order, they never counted it. And somehow I got another one. Right before the 20% off sale, I got a 25% off coupon that expires mid-November. So this was 25% off, not 20% off. But that means I also ended up paying full price for my order back in August, which makes me a little bit sad because I'd rather get 25% off of that and 20% off of this. But it came already, so we're gonna go over everything with you. Fenty Beauty, this is the Diamond Balm. Love the packaging. And look at that color. You see? Is it picking it up? It's dark in here because we have the puppies and they're just opening their eyes. So we can't have the lights on too much. So I have a little light here. The Kosas Lip Fuel in Rush. I had got one of these at Sephora, the Pulse, which is a little browner. I like pinker, so I ordered this one. I do like it. It's nice when I'm out because it adds a hint of color to my lips and I don't look like I'm dead. Tom Ford, my bougie lipstick. I love this color. It is Casablanca. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Eye Rescue. I got a little sample and I loved it, so I ordered the full size at 25% off. Magic Eye Rescue right there, so I remember which is which. Ooh, one size. This is the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. This will be great for whenever it is hot, which I live in Florida and it's hot all the time. House Labs Blush. This is the Dragon Fruit Days. The packaging, man. I know it's not about the packaging, but oh, so pretty. And I also got Watermelon Bliss, and I have the purple. This is Watermelon. Put that by Dragon Fruit. Nice. Oh, you can't see. I could see. You can't see. Patrick Ta. This is the Contour and Bronzing Palette. For contour and for bronzing. The color should work for me. I usually like to go in and try out the colors to know, and then if I order it online or if I get it in store, it doesn't matter. Here's the Innisfree Green Tea Caffeine Bright Eye Serum. I've been liking the Innisfree that I got at Sephora, so I wanted to get the eye serum also. Has a little roller ball. Ooh, Tower 28. This is Party Hour. This is their purple blush. I have the pink and I really like it, so I figured I'd order the purple at 25% off. So there's the purple. And I like to layer, so this purple will go with the House Labs purple. I have the old Rare Beauty brow pencil and it was way too dark. The spoolie is still too dark, but it works for my mom. So I sent that with her, and I heard the new Rare Beauty brow stuff is much better, so I ordered it in Rich Taupe. We got the spoolie, and that's much smaller, so yay. You see the hint? Summer Fridays, because I need it. I got the pink sugar one. Pharmacy Honey Butter. I got a couple brushes. The Patrick Ta Blush Brush, and it is the Duo one. These brushes are so nice and they're so soft. Patrick Ta Sculpting Brush. Since I have Beetlejuice tonight, I'm not doing my makeup until later. And of course, I got all the fun stuff in to play with, and I can't do anything for a bit. House Labs, the Edge Precision Brow Pencil. Just from the swatches, it's a little deeper than the Rare Beauty, but we'll see. Patrick Ta's first palette, I already have 2 and 3. I love them, so I had to get the first to see and to have the complete collection, because, ooh, pretty. Some of the colors are, of course, similar, which, you know, we expect, but his colors are just so good and they blend so well. I had to get it. And the sparkles, gorgeous. LYS, this is their holiday set, higher standards. It has the pink, the deep purpley, and the red. One of the Sephora boxes, and I liked it. So when I saw these, that you get 3 of them, and the price, I figured, let's do it. Try them out. The Danessa Myricks Lightwork Palette. Yeah, I got this one. I saw her from a distance at Sephora. She's so fantastic. Her energy is just out of this world. And look at this. Now at Sephora, we got a Fearless sample, and I love it. It goes on beautiful. Oh, so I got it. And I figured with all the matte palettes, this was a must to have some glimmer and shimmer, and in having it, as you put it on, you say, I am, and whatever you need for that day. I am protected, I am evolving, I'm abundant, I'm enough. And the colors can go across, or they can go down, or even diagonal. So you can kind of see how her color story is. And it should last forever. Remaining things, I spent 100 points on this Urban Decay eyeliner, because I don't think I have an eyeliner from Urban Decay yet. My 2 free samples were Augustinius Bader Ultimate Soothing Cream, Prada Ocean. My special offer was Kosas, the Glow IV, and the Revealer Foundation samples.